Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, this is a sneak peek of the eyeshadow palette declutter. I just want to show you real quick what we're looking at here. This is my Pat McGrath drawer, followed by Natasha Denona drawer, and next will be my other high-end drawer, which is example is Charlotte Tilbury, Nars, Yves Saint Laurent, Tom Ford. This is Chanel, Marc Jacobs, Wayne Goss, and the other things here. Also Laura Mercier. So that's that, and this is also Charlotte Tilbury. And then the next drawer here is going to be my MAC drawer, some of my singles, some of my MAC palettes, which is artistry palettes, holiday palettes, and the pro palettes here. And next will be, okay, this is my odds and ends where I have my Too Faced. This is KKW Beauty, Kardashian, and we have Fenty Beauty here, Kat Von D back there, some Tarte here. And next will be my Viseart. This is my Viseart drawer. Here it is. I like to keep them all in boxes actually. And this is my Huda Beauty. These are my petites. I don't know if you can see that. And these are my larger palettes, Huda Beauty. And these are my Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Let's see, what else do I have here? Soft Glam, Jackie Aina, Amarazi, and Sultry. And the next drawer here is more of, it's pretty much Urban Decay with a couple of other things. I have, this one didn't fit in the other drawer, the Novena palette, but this is all the palettes from Urban Decay, including Smashbox too. I had to stick that in there, and there's some singles from them. And the next one here, this is actually my Colourpop palettes. It goes way deep in there, along with down here, my Stone Cold Fox, my Bare Necessities. And all of these are the smaller ones here, along with my Super Shock shadows. I do have this drawer here, the things that I gotten from the box, name not to be spoken. And that's it for that. But I also have eyeshadows that are here. As you can see, these are things that I've been using lately. And also I have separated out things that I will be actually giving away. So guys, that's all I have for now, but I want to go ahead and I'll let you know I will be putting the video together, but as you noticed, it's a huge undertaking, so be patient with me, and just remember, stay tuned and don't ever sweat the small stuff. Talk to you later. Bye bye.